final question. So I see there's a section, or I see there's some updates about power over Ethernet. So what are we going to have to take into consideration now when running data cables which may be used with power over Ethernet?
Well, this is section 716, and we saw this has come in from international routes through the IEC and through Senelch. And principally, the scope of those documents have been around the power supply, because often, if you buy an internet switch or something, it'll come with a power supply with it, and you don't know where that's from. And there's been lots of discussion about the inherent safety issues within those particular power supplies. So a lot of focus has gone on the power supply for those particular types of installations. So that's where that's coming from in terms of 716 through IEC. And also there's heavy focus on in those documents on the cabling about the, but not through IEC, but certainly in Senelch, about the EN numbers for the particular cables and the sources of supply too.
So is that to do with the bunching of cables and avoiding overheating and things like that?
Have you seen any issue with bunching of cables, data cable, in terms of overheating?
Not at all. I mean, we don't do huge amounts of power over Ethernet, but I've never heard about it.
Yeah. Not in my circles too. I've not heard of any incidents, and the guys I've spoken to, there seems to be very few over time. So that's really how it's evolved. Don't forget to pre-order your copy of BS7671, and you can get it from the iet.org/gettheregs. And pre-orders available now until the publication date of the 15th of April 2026.